Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So now in this video we're talking about the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So finally Galaxy S21 series is here. The S series has been around for over a decade, but this year we are starting to see some major changes as the company reshuffles its portfolio. The division between the S Ultra and the other S phone has become quite stark. At the same time, two division between the S Ultra and Note Ultra has blurred. Samsung introduced the Ultra badge a little under a year ago. Back then, the camera was the major difference between its and the Plus model. That is true this year as well, but the display has emerged as another important distinction. Easily the most impressive of three new model Galaxy S21 Ultra, which mark a number of first for the Galaxy line. And as we said, it's all down to the screen and the camera. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED on the S21 Ultra 2X panel is a tad smaller than last year, but still has a curved side and now Gorilla Glass Victus protection and keep 1440p plus resolution, while the other two S21 model drop it to 1080p plus. This is the Samsung first display to able to run 120Hz refresh rate while rendering at the full 1440p plus resolution, and it's an adaptive refresh rate display which can drop 10 Hz when you don't need an extra refreshes. This will reduce the power use especially for static screens. This is also the brightness display for any Galaxy smartphone so far with the peak of 1500 nits. The other major change in the S21 Ultra support the S Pen or rather any vacuum stylus. You can get a big comfy on or a small easy the pocket one, which is important as there is no place to stash the stylus. Some Samsung cases have a compartment for it, but that's or your pocket. That hardly aside, the S Pen offer the same true to life experience of taking notes and is sketching your ideas plus handy shortcut and remote gestures that the stylus enable. This version does not have a battery, so the Bluetooth functionality you have seen on the Note series is not available. The first camera upgrade, you will notice that there are a two telephoto lens. Now the periscope was extended to 10x optical magnification and a traditional 3x lens was added to fill in the mid-range zoom gap. Below that, the high-resolution main sensor handles the 1x to 3x range with a lossless digital zoom. The 108 megapixel main sensor has been upgraded to Samsung calls its bright night sensor, which uses its 9-in-1 pixel binding to 12 megapixel plus improvement in a processing for a superior low light shoot. You can get even a better result from it if you do manually editing, as it can output 12-bit RAW photo. The S21 Ultra is the first Samsung to support 4K at 60 fps video recording with all camera including the 40 megapixel selfie camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide module, the two telephoto camera as well. Now get to the smaller stuff. This is the first phone to support Wi-Fi 6E, that 802.11ax working in the less cultured 6 GHz band, which means higher bandwidth and lower latency. The 5000 mAh battery has a same capacity as last year, but it officially dropped the maximum wired charging speed 25 volt, and controversially there are a no charger in the box. The good news is that you can use any USB power delivery charger you have. Wireless charger work too. The Ultra start 128 GB storage, same as the other two option, and has a 256 GB option if you really need a lot of storage. The top configuration come with a 512 GB. That's a tight 16 GB of RAM. If you think boot number are overkill, the base RAM capacity is 12 GB, same as a building 2 version of the S21 Ultra, one with the Snapdragon 888 and one with the Exynos 2100 chipset. Both are latest. You don't get a choice. The chipset is decided by where you buy the phone. As usual, North America gets a Snapdragon, Europe get the Exynos. In either case, the phone runs Android 11 with the latest One UI 3. which has some exclusive feature. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra starting price is 1250 euro for the 12 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes model. That's a 100 euro less than the S20 Ultra last year. Note there are a no 4G only version for the S series this year, so no 4G in the S21 Ultra. The phone will in a store from a January 29, but it will probably arrive early if you pre-order one. If you do, you will get a pair of the new noise cancellation Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro and a smart tag for free. So this is the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section which phone you like, the S21 Plus and Ultra. Also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.